Welcome to Lovely Teeth Kitchen. Today we are going to do our dirty rice. We're going to have a little tasting with Cobbler Mom, Miss Joyce, and we are going to see what her opinion is about our dish. Stay. We have our large shrimp, and we are going to put our turmeric and our paprika and cayenne pepper. We are only going to use 1 1/2 tablespoons. We're going to use avocado oil. We're going to only use 1 1/2 tablespoon of oil. We're going to put it in our bowl, and we are going to marinate that for about 15 minutes. Of course, when you open up your shrimp, you want to wash it. If it has like a little brown lining on the back, that is the boo-boo. So we need to clean that out. So you can take a little slit in the back with a knife, clean it all out, and we are going to leave the tail on. Okay, so we put all our seasonings in the bowl. We also did put some salt in there. It's going to be 2 teaspoons of the salt, 2 teaspoons of the salt. We put the garlic powder, which was the 1 1/2 tablespoon. And then now we are going to put our Uncle Ben's long grain wild rice. We're going to put 2 packages. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of the butter. When you use 2 packages, it also calls for 4 cups and 1/4 cup of water. And we're going to go ahead and get that started. So we put the Uncle Ben's rice in, and it also calls for you to put a lid over the pot. So we're going to let that do what it do. I have my yellow, green, red, and my yellow onion. I have my J.C. Potter's hot sausage. I have my Cajun Andouille smoked sausage. I'm going to use all of that sausage. And these are 1 pound each. I'm going to use 2 pounds of your ground beef chuck. And then I'm going to use my seasonings, which is going to be the turmeric and then the garlic and salt and pepper. And the seasoning is to taste. I'm going to chop up the pepper and the onions, and I'm going to make sure I wash all my meat and my vegetables before I put it in the skillets. Here go all the vegetables and all the meat together. Of course, I had to change the skillet because we have way too much meat in there. So we're gonna let that cook. Here go our rice. And then now we're gonna put our cooked shrimp medium inside of our meat. If you have any type of stuff on the back, we're gonna take the tails off the shrimp. We're gonna wash it. We're going to clean it in the back of it if it's need to be. But otherwise, we're going to wash it real good, take the stems off, and put it on in there. So I made some cornbread muffins. You can't have dirty rice without the cornbread. Here we go, the rice. And then here go all that meat and that shrimp. Ha! Woo! Yummy! Okay, so now we are getting ready to saute the shrimp that I had kind of marinating in the seasonings earlier. We have our spinach, and then we have 1 red pepper and 1 orange pepper, and we have a little bit of avocado oil, just enough to coat the skillet, and we're going to saute that.
I called her. She said her mom was going to be in this area.
Hello, we are with Miss Cobbler Mom, which is Miss Joyce, and we have our dirty rice, and she's going to taste it for us and let us know what it tastes like.
All right, it looks delicious. Let me get everything in there. Mmm. It's wonderful. So now put cornbread. It's very good. It's seasoned real well. good. It's wonderful. She did a good job. You did a great job.
There you go. You need to subscribe to Lovely T's Kitchen and see you next time.